Hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create clip-in mask in Adobe Illustrator. At first, you have to go on the file, then click on the place, select image and click on the place again, embed the image. Then you have to need a shape to create clip-in mask. I go to the shape and select an ellipse, press shift and drag to create ellipse. After you have to place the ellipse on the photo. Then you have to select the layer, right click on the shape and select this option make clip-in mask. So the clip-in mask is ready. You can also use stroke to make the clip-in mask attractive like that. Go to properties and increase the stroke amount. So here is the result. You can easily create clip-in mask in Adobe Illustrator very easily by following this process. Thank you for watching the video.